How to make money with TEMU from Pakistan. The first thing you need to know is that you have to register at a link that I will leave in the video description. Once you register, this screen will appear, and if you have a certain number of followers on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, you can earn certain rewards. For example, when you register, you simply go to the affiliate invite section, which is what I'm doing with you in this case. Each person who registers and has more than 1,000 followers, as you can see here, can earn 2,500, and each invited person can earn 250 if they have this minimum number of followers and can register all their social media. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you've registered, what you can do to make money is go to where it says affiliation, and here you will share your link. You can do this through Instagram, TikTok, X, Facebook, Pinterest, or any social media. For every person who buys using that link you share, you can earn between 10% and 30%, and if they download the TEMU app, you can earn 1,000. So it's really great because by simply sharing your link, you can generate money without having to spend any. The people who make purchases won't have to pay more. They won't be charged an extra commission. They will just buy, and TEMU will pay you a commission on that. And then, this is the first option to invite people who don't have an account on TEMU yet. But if they already have an account on TEMU, you can also invite them or share products with them. For example, here you can choose a product and share it in Facebook groups or any social network you want. And here, when you share, for example, this third product, notice that the maximum commission you can earn is 1030. You can choose any of these products and share them in different groups or social networks, and you will earn a commission every time people buy through your link. You just click on where it says share, and here all the links will appear. You simply copy this and share it with people, and when they buy through your link, you will be making money. You can withdraw that money directly to PayPal, or you can use it as credit within TEMU to buy things on this platform.